Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So a few days back, WP-CLI has released a new version. So today I'm going to update the WP-CLI on my local server. So I thought I'll show you how to do that. So there is a simple command they have provided, which is WP-CLI update, and just hit. So once you hit the command, it will ask for a confirmation. So I'll write Y and hit enter, and it will wait for the update. And now WP-CLI is up to date. So this is how simply you can update your WP-CLI. Let me know if you have any doubt or question. Please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this short video.